Siyabonga kanjalo sekuphinde kwabanjalo. Grace and peace, I really hope this finds you well and in awesome and dope spirits. Igama lale episode wish. Hey, kubi family disputes, family feuds. Kuzokuba ne family corruption. You know, we are here to lay the matter to rest. South Africa, we always hear one side of the story. And a lot of people are saying, Skim, siyacela, please bring us other people because we need to hear the side of the story. So the story of yours, and the truth. So vandaag, we are here. It's a defining moment where we are going to tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Sikumadlanga komishana straight. The episode izoba in the part here. There's one warning. Engisho, fasten your safety belt or your seat belt, buckle up. It's about to get heated up, yeah. So once we take off Mina, I take a back seat. I let the family speak. We shot double episodes, 2 episodes of Uswazi. So Uzi, as a singer, as a musician, as a podcaster, as an actress, had a lot to say about life challenges and experiences, particularly concerning her family. So the family finally is here. Hey, kushubile i-uncle izile, i-uncle behind the scene iphethe isniff la ithi ngilalele la ukuthi enithini namhlanje because bangibize ngamagama bamitha kamabitso. So but we are not promoting violence in any way. So ngicela ugogo when she's venting there will be a language ayikhulumayo. Hey izolo ngithe mangithi ngiyalalela kancane, hey ngithi gogo ngamzwa hey kunepupunasi la ene gold ngathi gogo hey wathola ukuthi aseyidlulile. So today uncle yami ngihleli naye ngabona ukuthi ikwate ukwata ngifuna ukunibona kahle ke. Hadi Jeffats sanibona uncle nogogo sanibonana.
Yebo
niyaphila kodwa?
Siyaphila.
Siyaphila. Ugogo uthe akakhulule leduka athandaza ngalo azokwazi ukuthi akhulume kahle ezala kwamhlaba and then sohamba soyigqoka isambatho masiceda manje la ungavinjwa ukholo. Alright gogo?
Hayi. Angilala.
Awulalanga gogo na wathi ngiyakwa Skim GP. Aish. Ngicela sibatshele nje mhlamba amagama wonke bakubiza ngobani gogo?
Nana. Elami igama Emeli.
Yes.
Hlatshwayo likhele lekhetho Mhlapo.
Make ngibiza ukuthi mhlanto endlunkulu athi mhluli kuneyinkinga la wena ulukhele bese uyasiphuza ku social media akukhonakala uncle.
uBen wakwaNhlapo uSigegede umwela sinongombili udubela imthendo unkwalo zenkosi ezona ngokwendela kubafokazana.
Sure. Thank you uncle. No, ayije fats yasuka yahlala gogo. Ngicabanga ukuthi bathi ladies first. But now nangu malume futhi ukhona unokuyendlala. But ke asingene kuwe gogo mhlambi kumane kube fair uyabona. Sizovela senza iprotocol, asithatha advantage iprotocol. La isuka khona gogo. Ubona eTV uyezwa uziwe uyakhuluma into zakhe. Ukhona kwasanaye la ihlisi mawukhuluma uzobula ukumkhomba ngomuntu othi lo akezwa. So abazali emakhaya bathi thina labantwana bavele babalekile kuma podcast sineyinkinga ngale. Kanti naye uthi hayi akunankinga abeze ngoba into esifunayo ukuthi egcineni kube nesombululo kube nepeace. Uyakhuluma ke gogo mina ngisakhuluma ngizolo ngithi ngizongena masekuyala.
Mina ne?
Yebo gogo.
Bakubiza Skim.
Yeah.
uSkim bengithandela most wanted.
Yeah.
Manje ngamangala sengibona unawo. Ngathi kuye Swazi. Ulikhele why angakubuza ukuthi that English oyikhulumayo kuye uyitholaphi because today I'm broke. Because ngithatha wena ngisesikolweni. Athi hayi i-episode lokuqala ene ngizonihlaza. Ngathi uzohlaza mina. Ulikhele one day kitlokopana la buti. Utlantsebapile. Because you can't just go while umhlaba wonke uyokhuluma ngefamily rape abuse toxic house. I don't want to stay here. I will clean awenze nix I wash umntwana sometimes ngiyakula. You know I'm old. When I wake up in the morning umzimba ubuhlungu. So singikutshelile ukuthi from the start ngihlala nolikhele. I put a divorce long time ago. Mawufaka divorce, you have to move out of the house before not now. Yeah. So I move out with 3 kids. Firstborn, umama wakhe ngihlala.
Yeah.
Where I'm going, ngibophi ingubo, impahla ngeingubo. Ngiyaphi efemeni la bengisebenza khona. I sit under the tree. You understand?
Yeah.
After the sitting under the tree, umachingila nathi gogo letha izingubo neimpahla zabantwana kimi ngizibeke phi erumini la ngilala khona so izothi abelungu mabanyamalala ngoba uyababona bakhona then you make a plan to go a kitchen what's happening in the kitchen umelita la uBrian la uNhlanhla ungcoverile I sit like that in the morning 6 o'clock kumele ngibavuse vukani abelungu bayeza bayodlala lapha phansi ayina uniform ngizandla uthi must go to school we've got nowhere to sleep you understand 6:30 ngibakhapha esikoleni ngikukumale nabo kanje I'm scared maybe abantwana bami bazolahleka until school opens then ngingene esikolweni now until one of the teachers at hi man njalo wena la whether winter whether raining uhleli nabantwana bakho what's happening at anginanda ukulala athi what I'm going to do ngizothatha lo wentombazana you left with these two ngihamba nomuzi noNhlanhla same toilets yes company then uMessiah omkhulu ongimthandazayo icounselor Mike Siko his soul rest in peace took umuzi ne umuzi wahlala no Mike Siko I left with Nhlanhla lo mhlophe ehleli lapha he's a baby una 3 years angifuna ukhwehlela asindawo yami kusemsebenzini ngimvala umlomo until kuse
gogo
no breakfast no what bayahamba banjalo and then those people abashare labantwana they never say to me pay us or washini sengisele noNhlanhla it happens ukuthi emsebenzini kube ne function we sleep under the tree kamhla the steps leNhlanhla so when these things comes Likhele you see this girl and ngibengihlala phansi naye ngimtshela ngithi yes you busy talking about rape I was raped also yangibona ngakanani ngimtshela la bengihlala khona lo baba lo bekaphathi mesa athi akhona motho ha o ka thoma wa bua ke tlo bolaya wa ipona roko kae o ka rastile I'm trying ukuthi inqondo yakhe ngiyiqwalise ngezinto ezi right but he keep on going Likhele keep on going telling lies Nhlapo's family is full of rapes and my 2 sons yesterday umama khuthe there's a episode there's a
clip
umama kungifundele leyo uyiplakile ngayilalela this one says umntanakhe umntana bekakhala but ngingazi ukuthi ukalelana ikamereni lo uthi kumntwana who touch you la endlini today you were sitting there le clip ngimele iphumile ubani ukuthathile namhlanje mommy wakhala lo mntwana wangena ekamera ngathi ukhalelana she never told me the truth so it means ukuza kwethu la doesn't work for Swazi I'm cross when Likhele I'm very cross inhliziyo yami yenza so since ekseni ngivuka iyabounce uyangithuka salukazi sesifele salukazi esithakathayo ufaka ijoyini mara uyathakatha lo mntana lo yabona ukuthi umntana akhe ngimphethe kanjani same supply bengimbamba ngesandla we go to Zion Church lena uqala uqula eZion uqala ukugwaba eZion there comes yazama Zion mus siyaphila in the morning before we start aphila and uqale before abafundisi they can start or anybody athi kuthule bandleni kunento engifuna ukuyikhuluma izinto engizenzayo ugogo wamakazenza isonto liso what about myself kwaba ukuyeka kwakhe isonto that day angena kuyonke le nonsense ama drugs intsango and all this nonsense akakhuzeki lo mntwana endlini uhamba so whether Likhele uthulutse marotho mofatse mo dimadimeza she doesn't care because why my house is a toxic and I can't say to these guys lisikatla kondlung yaka these are my brothers ke ba godisitse le bona abazali mabashone emhlabeni bengisebenza ngi1 Bengibamba laba, ngibamba umama. Wang understand? There comes the snake. This is a snake. Lo mntwana lo inyoka lo. Inside the house. And you know what's going to happen? We'll spoil lo mntwana. And what's going to happen? People don't gonna hate the kid. Because umtshela izinto ekamereni lakhe. Wonke. Ukade unana ukuthi ubeke inyawo phezulu kwakho. Utsho really na ka rape phela. Utsho re ke lesbian nna. According to Swazi. Thank you. Kwatile namhlanje.
Hey. Hey, yazi yabanzima lento. Uncle, asingene straight ku uncle. Ngizwela ngathi une build up yakho nawe man.
Yeah.
Yes, kuningi uncle.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyathemba nabalaleli ababukeli balohlelo.
Yeah.
They will comment on this.
Hey.
First thing first. That child is toxic. Ngicela ukumkhomba so that ngiyabona mntana. Toxic. I don't wish to see the day when she turns on you. Because lo mntana bekabanjwe kanje njengeqanda. Umntwana wokuqala womtshana wami esesamsondeza kithi. But mina bengazi ukuthi mawukuka umntwana umbeka la, that simply means it's rape. Mawutshela umntwana ukuthi asambe siye shop. Maybe uyamthatha umisa to places where you're going to rape her. And one thing that you need to understand, there's a lot of our brothers who are in prison. False imprisonment. Because somebody wants to spite you. I think she needs help. She needs not to come here, Kulama podcast, and act as a celebrity.
Yeah.
She needs help. You need to help this girl. Akwazi ukuphakama. Because I believe with this podcast should build other youth abafana naye. And I believe with this podcast should send a message out there to abantwana abafana naye. To say irrespect is not found in the shelf. But you fight for respect. In order for you to be respected, give respect. In order for you to be loved, thanda now. You see, Baba, the last time we spoke about absent fathers, absent mothers. You know? Abanye abantu, they are doing that. Ukuthi abazali babo babe absent in their life. Because umuntu njengalo o toxic njengalo, how are you going to approach her? Because uzoma approach athi wena ngiyanitshela namhlanje nizolala nibaliwe. Let me tell you something. This morning is all about nathi. This morning, uthi masiya kulikhele we must be dressed to kill. And I mean ngikhumbula ngithengela ibruku nehembe neskipa. I don't remember that. Ngigqoka the way mina ngifuna ngakhona. And ulikhele will never tell me how to dress. Because mina ngizange eBrain or ilokhuzana iparty la. That's one thing Lukhele should understand. Then we started kuba nama argument. Angifuni ningihlaze. Kulikhele. Mina I don't care ukuthi ngiyamhlaza or angimhlazi. This is who I am and I will never change who I am. I'm not going to please you. Ukuthi ngibe somebody that is not there. Number 2. Like in Yeshua, we're speaking about these absent fathers and mothers. Yena njoba so. Ugcina nini ukugeza umntanakhe? Ugcina nini ukugqokisa umntanakhe? Ugcina nini ukukama umntanakhe? Is it not the transformation of the very same thing that she is talking about? Because she's transforming the very same genes. Because angeke ukuthi umntanakhe azabe late esikolweni, ialarm yakho ikhala kayi4, thina siselwe. Let me bring you to speed. La kamure ngikhombisele ulala kulo I1. Leya carpet le uyibona lapha kulala this uncle. The seat that you were sitting on, I sleep on it. She sleeps alone. She doesn't want anybody in the bedroom. Slala phansi, and we don't argue about that. We don't argue about akafuni muntu in that bedroom. She sleeps alone. Tina slala phansi. I told you my years. I can't repeat them on air. And if she wants to be a celebrity starts with respect. Celebrity starts with self-love. Love yourself so that you can be a celebrity. And respect others so that others will respect you. She doesn't portray that. Maga Figaguwa, she acts as if now she's this innocent person. Maga Sekaya, uvuke ekuseni today, let me tell you, uvuke ekuseni marizola besikhuluma, akangibulisanga. Besihlezi soyi-4. Uvele wadlula waye kitchen. Wabuya wangena ekamereni. That is why ngithi if family is toxic, then we love the
Toxicity.
yes, of this family. We love it. Because akusho thina iyasebenzela as a family. That's why we are together till today. And if the podcast or wena baba, you've got ways of giving her the place that she wants, where she'll be happy and merry. I think you should provide her with that and see what happens.
Nginamali mana ngeke.
Anginandaba ukuthi awunamali. Lo mntwana lo ungene 4 schools. If we didn't love her, ungene 4 schools.
Yeah.
The last school was 100,000 per annum.
Crawford.
Yes.
Crawford.
Uyazi ukuthi lo mntwana sayomfuna boarding school abalekile. We have to drive no mama ke ebusuku siyomfuna. Singamazi ukuthi ukuphi. And I'm saying to the youth out there, if you want to make it, respect starts at home. If you want to be somebody, start by loving yourself, and then you can transfer the love to the next person. Because I cannot ngokunikeza uthando kanti mina myself anginalo. Sibuya komfuna police station. Lo. Sifonelo amaphoyisa. We had to go through a police station. And if this girl needs normal, can a normal somebody azifake kulokhuzana kuma mental institute? Can somebody othi yena unormal besathi uphuza amaphilisi angazi amaphilisi bekawaphuza bekakhashwa uuncle wama yolanda amaphilisi?
Yoni rapist.
If really if sithi lo muntu normal, can a normal person do that? Lo mntwana lo ukuze umamakhe silwe thina bo uncle, we are fighting with umamakhe. Ukuthi no wena you are too soft. That is why umamakhe end up abe yi godmother kulo mntwana. Why? Because this girl othatha umntwana wami isemikhukhwini laba bhemela khona. So should we let this child akhule with this toxicity? We can't. Mina ngumalume mdala mina. But kunomunye ozayo. And mina I'm close to my sister most of the time. And mina baba ngiyakhuluma. Kakhulu futhi. That is why today lo mntana lo malokhuza i-court inikeza umama yakhe amandla i-custody. Wathatha umntwana wamisa kwenye indlu laphaya. Akunabantu abadala. Iphuma ngena. Sasithi masisiye ekamereni la khona. Sithole lezi zinto angizazi yini. Lezi ezama-globe kanje.
Bottle kopla.
Yeah. Ngihlezi nalo mntwana lo. Umama akhe sekathi mina ngihlulekile. Can you please try and talk to lo mntwana? Ngisasho namanje ngihlezi naye 4 hours. Ngizama ukumkhombisa. Ukuthi akuphilwa kanje. This is not life. Where are you going to end up? Asithi wena ke shut down and you're doing something else. Usazoba celebrity. And look, bekasebenze Absalom mntwana. Yes. Makahola. She doesn't come home. But unomntwana. If sikhuluma ngama-absent mothers, she's absent emntaneni wakhe. Because usister wami akusese ugogo sekuwuneni. This is what I'm fighting for. My sister should not be uneni. A domestic worker kwakhe. This girl should learn to wake up in the morning. Ageze umntwana alungise umntwana. When umntwana comes from esikolweni, she should be standing at the gate to uthi avumelele abambe umntanakhe. Akukho, yazi ayikho into ayenzayo. Maka ngangena ekamereni avala umnyango sizombona ngakusasa ngo4.
Akadli kanti yanke.
Udle ebusuku.
Yeah.
Uzambona aphethe isanda kubhakwa. Angazi noma isanda kubhakwa. Yeah, simvale namehlo. Angene ekamereni. And if we celebrate, I don't think ukuthi mhlambe nawe kwakho uyasibheka isitsha sibona singagezwanga ungasigezi. Uyasigeza ngithi. Yeah, she doesn't clean, she doesn't wash. Nothing. The last time size silwe, size sithi ulukele mageze, we are tired. It's when makabuya la elokhuzanini emalundeni ungena uyalala. Uyavuka futhi emalundeni. Ugeza nini wena because sihlala nawe la asikubona. I think ivastapa yakho since intsha. Isana umthethe wokuthi yintsha because you are not washing yourself. Silwele lokho naye. Angeke uzungitshela ukuthi wena uyicelebrity ulokhuzane uyageza. Ungathi ugeza ngemgqomo omncane kanje. Yini oyigezayo? Silwe naye ukuthi ikamera lakho no.
Injani?
No. I-pigstal. That is why ngithi mina ngiyakhuluma ngithi ngibizile la. Ngizokhuluma.
Hey malume. Right, malume nginawe ngifisa ukufaka ugogo gogo. Kune subject engifuna siyithaje i-sensitive because kukhuluma umuntu owubaba. Uphi ubaba womntwana? Okwenzakalani ngobaba walomuntu enithi uyinkinga engaka?
Celebrate.
Nayi celebrate.
Right, we only pirates. Welcome.
Welcome. Pirates umkhulu man, ugeneral. Usebenza ku pirates na?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
My child, angithi umzulu utheni mntanami ku. Umama was very strict.
Yeah.
Ngifuna nabo laba bayazi. Beyithi mabaphuma esikolweni bafolisa line. Ngifuna la mapenseleni ngiphiwe ekseni. You must bring it back because asinabazali. So, umntanami ngimtshela ukuthi you have ufunda isikolo. Uqeda isikolo. Then you work. Then you buy a car. Then you get a townhouse. You sleep matric. You eat matric. Don't clean, don't do anything. I do it myself. Because there comes that boy. Wathola umntanami angithi Lukele ngiyana ngo6 kule company. Ngithetha ngo6. Ngiyaphuma uyambiza. Angithi mdala. Uyambiza the other day umbizile akhuluma naye. Waflake ebusuku. Maka flake ebusuku. Elami idlozi la ngitshela lathi phuma gogo. Mangiphuma dopi backstage. Ngathi wenzani kumntana ngampephisa yona. Ngahlukana nomntanami afunde. So for me doing that, athi ngizomgeza umama kula. Ngizokumithisa. And ngiyamazi lo yamama strict akasubusethe kosikolo. Angeke uye university pregnant.
Uyamdestroy.
Yeah. Usithi kahle bekamdestroy. Athi uzahamba uyosebenza eboxer. Uzothandana ne-taxi driver. Baba kalo. So ngathi God give me power. Ngamise university. Midrand campus yaba? Wafunda khona isisu singaka. Mele ngimpi transport ukhalela diloze. Okay. Ukhalela lezi zinto uprek yalo ya Satan. Ufanta adla ama fruits, aphuza ijuice, ayenzeni umntanami adla isibindi. It happens one day. Phela ngeke ngibe nemali every day. ngimthole lo bhuti ngithi please bathi esibhedlela uSimangele adle isibindi athi you know what ithi ngikutshela the day ngizothenga isibindi my child will be born not now ngenzani ngalento esidudle igcwele ama pimples ngathi uNkulunkulu ngisize ngiphume kule jaridi I don't want to kill this man from there azala keeper lo ya Satan lo ne from there azange amkhaphi bekasebomnandini umntanami ukhatshwe ifoster care yakhe lo bhuti kuphi Joburg jail ayoteta nakyabereka mina ngisebenza ukuthi ngithenga amaphempa ngithenga ibisi ngithengele umtswethi adle abeleli bisi ngathi God help me ngicela ungiphi ikhaya mangithandaza le ingane zami besihlala same yard mind you foster care umastens wathi kimi I must pay the rent ngathi angeke ngiluze uqeda isikolo ngama riots then come and ban on you ngebe ke lukhule ka education we start ama riots so wait so I'm not going to do it ntshadi phatlo tsaka if wa khona I never pay rent anyang patali rent ku mastens I get that house in Pumaguy bengakapheli likhela you see la une TV that room was the only room ebeyiphelile so I took all the clothes besilala so that the house can get finished lo bekana 3 months ne wafika lo bhuti akaphethe imali let's say I'm not at home ne uzo fantality imali amaphempa yebisi athi ku maseka khula akumele mina ayiphe mina doesn't give to the mother ne athi angeke nginike imali yami kini because kini ngithanda inyama I'm working mina ngisebenze 34 years one company ngisupport everybody ekhaya athenga amaphempa athi bhekala ntombazana amantombazana washa amanapkin what are you doing amaphempa damuthenga inapkin or double skipper sakho uyangitshela lo ngithi uyakhala and mawulethu umntanami akunama yogurt engizowathenga ayekini because your brothers bayodla lawa ama yogurt so bring the child to me azokwazi ukudla one yogurt and asuri naki bengihlule ukuthenga yogurt yabo there comes inhlawulo Biza abantu, you know, we have to call people abazokusupport. Really certain people they came. Yeah, bazobona imali ekhishwayo ekuhlawulweni umntwana.
Yes.
Sibade phela mina ngiyayazi khathi ubaba usikhulisile, baba uNhlapho usifundisile. Sivuke 5 o'clock. Sihlale likhele sihlale 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 bagena. Hey,
Mbamba.
yeah. Baya koma kim bakokota mabakokota lona sekahambile emsebenzini umnikazi ophulwe inyawo sengigukelo ngihlezi naye so she was 5 months old yazi mabangena bathena abantu bakabo lo bhuti sizohlawula lo basupa ula kimi ngathi nizohlawula nguphi uzele lo or nizohlawula wami umntwana and labantu engibabizile bambile angeke ngiamkhele thelete angifuni ukuthi sasa nijike nithi ngimpi million bajikana ne wathi ubaba kalo kinkile thelete elo abana re kerekileng bekele sicathu akiri mama gawe ganile they don't fix a problem and then laba bebazila bafika ngendlini bathi no sifike ngo6 ngathi manifika ngo6 uzoba amakoto njani uzovuka ngo6 I can't take this money ni one lo brekela umama ngalo uthi kirekile wabona ene plus umuntu welebuli owamntwana yancelisa owamntwana yagereza help me. Yangizwa? Mela I Boston College, I graduate because that site is far now for her. Why Boston?
Yeah.
Or graduate. My company says to me, okay, Amy, I'm gonna do everything for Melita. Tents, food, drinks, because she's a clever girl. Really by ends. Wapara, aizang, upilo puti.
No,
You go-
found.
Afigo, I'm busy. After a long time, ngicela sophuza coffee. Phela ngixoxela mina umntanami. Asami sophuza coffee. Bahambe bephuza coffee. Athi ngiphethe invitation. I want to invite you. I'm getting married.
Yo.
So lo ntombazana le ithi ufuna ukuba join point nobabakhe ufuna ukwazi ubabakhe kangcono angali likhela
Yeah.
tshela umntanami ukuthi uhlala endlini ye2 million
Yeah.
so samenzela ioffer likhela there's a room maningena ngale ne there's a room wafika bathi hayi mama thula hlala endlini because la safana ribulets mama hlala endlini ungaphumi uyeza umqolisi uzothatha ama measurement uma senke sithi lo aphume endlini because angeke likhele botse pedi kama one housing you understand
Hey.
wafika yeah I'm going to put lights like this I'm going to put ibhavu lakhe emele libe so ebhenqi nje indlu entsha mangiza kuwe umntanakho lo ufike kimi uthi ayigogo ngoba imali ithi ngirufele le room othi yavuza then my daughter can stay there and then ngizom-offerisha whatever atuzomlethela umbhedo fridge methe TV my daughter call him usesenazo lezi zinto ozuzupha uswazi na I'm listening yazi sesekhona so kikopa udibe
Yeah.
mina nomama will try and gazette uzothatha imali 500 imalini yakhe sasa afakela sithenga amazenke ukuthi lo ayohlala ngani
Yeah.
uthe okay kinke tšhelete ka sasa ke mo godisitse ngwana ke mo agele roof a bereka a tsamaya so a bereka ko Pirates I don't care ukuthi yangiso and ngifuna ngibone
Hey.
I'm very cross
Hey, kulimaze.
especially mangibona lo mntana actor so
Yeah.
That's true.
Hey.
I'm hurt likhele
Hey, man, gogo man.
angisakhulumi ngomntanami waphula imoto lo kamamakhe ne kaharafu maqeda uphula imoto you know what says Mqolisi thatha imoto uyise ku mechanic sengibhadalile bayifaka
Screen.
screen tololo he never pay
Bebalolana nomama bayalwa bekwenzakalani that day.
ngoswazi
Hey.
Uswa-
Ngizwe zemi
yeah.
mesenani.
ukuthi mabalwa ne
Hey.
umqolisi uthe uzofunela lo irep uyazi le irep yalo baba bathi kimanga
Hey, umlotha.
yeah so
Lodgak.
athi phone wenza ama arrangement ukuthi kukuphi how much and then baze bazomlanda they can't come likhele usonsi deposit imali ngizoyifaka ngo9 ne azange ayifake
Hey.
lo waba furious ukuthi ya why unamanga
Utshela babakhe.
utshela umama
Utshela
ubabakhe is
umamakhe.
nowhere to be found uphumile likhele kule ndaba yerehab
Akasaphenduli
asaphenduli nefone
Oh.
lo manje ubhizi nathi
Sekalo nomama man.
yawula nomama
Kula kuphuma khona imimese man.
ya kulazo thatha ene ngiphuma kwehlisi washing luckily
Hey.
ne uvula idro keep imess
Uyi.
why ungiqambela manga why ungantshela ngiqiniso why can't he call her father
Hey.
so ngilahli washing pants ngidonsa iphini ngamshala imese yawa wayidopa like baring about kidnap
Hey.
go moving uyibeke la kumama yakhe yazi
Wawa film.
ya uya naye kuphi emotweni athi ngise kuleyo rehab asambe ngizokhomba leyo rehab and mind you asiruna rimuruktileng di drugs afike emotweni umama ke athi ithi mvula igate and then sizongena emotweni it's whereby athola ichance yokuthatha ikharavu ashape windscreen pa one day uzile aphethe itina shaya igate lam likhele isizulu vela mawuthola umsebenzi you just make a small khambanyana ke uyaphahla bogogo nyabonga this and this wabo so and I turned that thing party. There was drugs, there was booze abuthengile utshwala umntana kalobhuti mina ngimcela 2 liter ecoke athi angisana mali ngayithulela mina I'm a drink here I put it okay after that uyabuya bamkubile yana ubatla chelete yakhe gimme because I say she must do the job ngathi senze umqombotho ongaka masiphahlela umsebenzi unayisa drome kan so you can't say no kumali yakho kukhele ngithi hayi ungayenzi senza so and akatshelwa phela lo you can't tell her ulibeka athi clean and shut up akalwa nomama ke strateni after the car ayiphulile bayalwa manje ngiyatatazela bukhele ngimdala ngifuna 10-111 police come and help maphoyisa qhamuke amaphoyisa athole ukuthi vele bayalo estrateni babafaka ejardini ngibakhomba imese mina ngithi na imese bekayiphethe bambuze what is your problem athi ngifuna aphume la ngifuna achoose between mina no mama akhe lithi phesa lo mama if uthi mama akho aphume la are you working so ashiya mama akhe angaka na athi hamela choose I'm the only child that bullshit yabo amaphoyisa athi no if athoma again is an police station of the case athoma really sahamba I'm so subuyele endlini ka 2 o'clock angithi watse bamapholisa ukuthi ayenzani so ukuthi bamthole angithi bekazi ukuthi baba gage uzofaka imali ye windscreen iphoyisa lathi mtshela ukuthi siphethe imali ephuma kubaba bakhe ye windscreen the minute as a city stupid uyaphuma yasa yolanda imali ephuma kumqolisi bathi zamkhalelwa akhalabaliwe
waboshela imali on screen
yes so ukuthi ahlale bekangekho arrested lo muntu there's no use ukuthi akhulume nalabo phuthe ngibabona basokolile ejele no azange athwara ubabakhe waya epoison akere watsibiwa waya epoison watshela ipoison ukuthi ngicela nemhlalise for 6 weeks 6 months 6 iviki 6 days
yeah
she was not arrested from 6 days atswa uyaphi ukuphi shelter ayohlala shelter ngithi ubabakhe doesn't say anything ukuthi umntana ami ithi ngimtholele indawo ngimbeke kahle ahlale kahle wa shelter ubabakhe wathi uzoze shelter amlethele dilo tsa uthapa grocery smart because ubereka sharp ki IT azanga that skepsel saka yiso besigida lapha nalobhuti maba yomfuna bamthola ukuthi akekho shelter eBeria you know Beria yeah ilapho le ndawo abamtholi kuphi emafletini nama Nigeria
bekahlala le Nigeria bekangasalali
shelter
ngoba shelter baze basitshela ukuthi lo sicela manisuka la nimthathe because asazi ukuthi wenzani shelter kuyacleanwa kuyaphekwa kunama game ba changeana lo semthwele eflatini les3 bathu hlala neNigeria lapha
so
manje asikhulume ngelayideng butomkhulu gogo sorry man ukukuphulula imuzana yo kahle asike sithashe le issue yama drugs kune story sama drugs esiningi esikhulunywayo la ngoba inaffectile lento kunabo mama manje abakhalayo ukuthi lento yenyawupe ngathi ithengiswe emaPakistaneni problem because wonke umuntu manje every second child uyabhema lento le ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngayo iqale nini ana how many years
Lento iqale lo muntu, I think she was 13. If angenzi mistake. Ukubona manje the difference in her.
Yeah.
Yazi lo muntu bongathi akakaze asonta or azinikele enkosini. Indlela iuniform yakhe yasesontweni bekayiphatha ngayo. We started noticing at the age of 13 ukuthi no, something is wrong. And thina njengoba malume besiblame umama wakhe ukuthi no, you're spoiling this one.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
And because yazi as parents, mhlambe the mistake that we made, sifuna abantwana bethu ukuthi bakwazi ukujwayela abanye abantwana. Yabo? Asithi bangajwayela abanye abantwana. But as a parent, you also need to be vigilant emntwaneni. Maybe nathi we are to blame because azange simnaki. And uSwazi, as ushila what she's an actress. Ayena deserve i-award. Because sifule sonke because we thought ukuthi mntwana. Kanti uyajika uyabhema ngale. Masizo Papama, the actress, has been nominated for the award. Bekaseka dlulele. Siqala ngokubona manje seka misbehavior ukuthi no. Akusahambi kahle. Yabo? And you know what? Since mhlambe abanye bakupolitiki, Mina, I'm also saying even our government has been too negligent. And our government are keeping families in poverty line. That is why today we saw. And khona manje ama-drugs are cheaper kulabantwana bethu. These drugs are cheaper. And azisuswa elokishini. Mase siqala ukubona ukuthi she's smoking. Bese sesimbona agoba ikhanda ngathi ikamela eliphukile. That's when we started. Mawungena ekamereni yakhe uthe angazi nami ikhamera yangibona. Uthe so.
Hey.
And umbona ngani? Ubabhekela abantu ababhema lento. Bazama ukwenza i-catwalk. Angazi noma yiyo lento or mhlambe bona bazalwe kanjalo but they do ama-catwalk. Umbone makahamba wenza kanti. That's where we notice.
Hey.
Mina ngibuye Soweto. And ngu-civil organization.
Yeah.
Yabo? So njalo bengifika ngilwa nomamakhe. Kuthi no. This is getting out of hand. Lapho bekaseka nganandaba namuntu ke manje makangena the very same bedroom that we told you engithi ulala eyi-1. Uzothi umuntu lela uke wakutshela ukuthi ke waphuma amagwebu. A-overdosile. Ngoba futhi nabo mabangena ema-drugsini umuntu ngathi ilokhuza iplate lasemangcwabeni udla ikhethe adlelene. That is why mina ngithi thina lithe masirealize ukuthi nomntana uyabhema. Bekaseka yi-expert agraduateile. Bekumele agqoke ingubo nje yokuthi la this one is a smoker.
So zikhona into benizibona as evidence ukuthi
Yeah. This girl. Mina indlu yami ngiyayicleana nje.
yeah.
Yeah. Ngicleana. Uyayibona this thing engathi dope and then inalimbobo so yeah. Na and ama-teaspoon wami ngizibuza why ama-teaspoon wami ashile ngaphansi. Ngimbuze why you light ikhendlele? Athi hayi umnyama kakhulu and that window iletha i-brightness. You understand? Ngisithathe lezi zinto lezi.
Yeah.
Ngizisaphi kuma-patrol athi udlala ngesikhathi sakho. Uyisa lezi zinto kuma-patrol bangani bami laba. Bhema sonke. This broadcast ayidlalile ukhulume about Thapelo.
Yeah.
I went there mina umama akhe angekho. Kuyomlanda. Because wazi ukuthi bekangenza islime esinjani lo mntana. Inyawasha and ngifuna umntana makayisikolweni abe neat. Shut pure white eyed. Ngizihenge so. Uyazithatha uyahamba uyaqoqa. Mina la ka esikolweni. Unayo that guy yama kingpin yati drugs. Kufika umuntu athi hayi man sibona uSwazi 19 ngithi kuphi athi kulo mfana ohamba ngamapill book akusibidi intsha
izinja
yeah ngithi ngiyakhona bathi gogo zizokuluma ngithi sifine zingiluma yazi sengiyelani likhela inhliziyo yami ebuhlungu uthi ngiyamwashela ngiyampresela uniform ngimkhavela incwadi ngiwasi school bag uyaspepa making me a fool ngathi le khadi noma zingangiluma nginandawo ngangena ngamthola
Bekuyi-boyfriend, bekuyini lo?
i-boyfriend, the first boyfriend, lebe kakhuluma kule podcast le esisukumisile.
Washisa izindlu.
Washisa indlu yalo bhuti. You understand? Awuthatha yonke into kamama yakhe uyisa lapha ya. Okay, fine. Mangifika lapha I never fight with anybody. Ngiyengomoya phansi kaNkulunkulu. Ngathi ngicela isikhiya sendlu.
Oh yeah.
Ne? Angithi manje so unemkhukhu.
Yeah.
Une boyfriend waperi tuku ya matswalo wa gago waperi penti ya matswalo
Tuku la mama zala.
la ka mama ngathapelo
Yo.
isize uyothengisayo uhlala a bethi mali it comes ukuthi unomuntu oyi1 ozopimpa ulethwa amaphoyisa 4 years ahambile ulikhelo uzomenza nomntana osoloka ahambe 4 years already akagobeki.
Yeah, sekunzima.
Ya sokunzima ungeke umgobe angekumenze nix.
Okay, njengoba sesivala gogo ne. Na into engifuna sike sikhulume kahle because it is alleged ukuthi kunama cases ebeka wa pursue. So yena in her own words ufuna justice because kunama pedophile, kunama violators endlini.
Yes.
And the uncle are preying on her. We need to also address that issue. Yabona ukuthi mhlambe whether omunye ubone lo myaka bonanga but kuyiqiniso lakhe esazolitesta but enuthi no mina I know for a fact nga violate angikhulumi ngomunye umuntu and they proof na evidence ila kunama tapes kunani maybe family like ichaze nje net lapho so that naye ngibalance sonke istory angeke nihambe ngayibuzanga ubani ke lo prayer on her ubani o violator intombazana ngoba ithi ihlanya kanje ngoba yona impilo yayihlangahlangene ngeke ihlale nabantu nesinye isihlobo futhi naso angazi besilo simgijimisa naso ngePop Rivet.
Yeah.
Hani?
Yeah,
Uthi besifuna kumshaya ngotokolo gogo
Yeah. Yazi but I think also mhlambe singayenza ipart 2 of the family.
Yeah.
So that we call others.
Yeah.
Siqale la kule studio sakho.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Hey.
Because yabona this girl
Yeah.
akaqala sesimshaya ngalento yakhe wathi ngizonihlaza nina nonke ngifuna ukuthi nje nginihlaze and nizohlazeka national TV singakazi ukuthi uzoza kuwe because thina besithanda ukubukela wena singakazi
Hey.
now but ijustice iyafuneka
Yeah.
angithi
Yeah.
so if ijustice iyafuneka hambani indlela naye if yimi leyo pedophile okhuluma nga let me
Kasho.
angiboshwe yabo because kuma civil movement we are trying to fight this scourge so kuthi kunabantu abomalume today kuthiwa bayaluma bangalumanga yabo
Yeah.
but mina ngithi give her all the help that she needs
Kuthi kuboshwe that.
kuthi kumoshwe loyo muntu loyo yabo because khona manje ugijimile but angithi uthi wena you were raped uyile police station because there should be something that you did makaza kulikhele or kule show athi this is what has happened amaphoyisa wangisizanga she never does anything the only thing she goes on air and said family but now I'm saying to you msizeni ngendlela engamsiza ngayo whatever help she needs but watch it sasa ngathi ulukhele bekangibambe ibuni
So
that's what I'm trying to say kuwe
So malume asithi mhlambe wena na icamera yakho ikubhekile shuthi ungakusho wona kugcwala umlomo lo mntwana she's a pathological liar unamanga yikho lento ayikho
azini angazi ngithi 100 a million billion times she's a pathologic. You turning a
A pathological liar.
pathological liar.
Yeah.
Yawuzwa ngithini kuwe?
Hey.
Ngisho kanjalo kuwe.
Hey.
Because lo mntwana lo uyaspayitana.
So you manipulate nina kahle kahle lapha.
Yazi thina besimthatha njengomntwana omncane lo. Besingazi ukuthi kanti she's so evil. Isonto lenzanga nix la. Alizange limkhulise. Instead ngathi limnikeze ways of spiting people.
Manje malume ngoba indlu incane nje ubugogo echaza ukuthi indlu inkulu for thina but it's not big enough nikhona bokhuluma indlela uhlelo lokulala nani. So njengoba uyazi umuntu masekangena kwi-industry nani nokugcoka kuyashentsha nani ubani obani comfortable ubani oba comfortable because endleleni
Abantu
yokugcoka
abahlali nami.
nenza njani.
There's a case esihambelayo. That's why ubatholile. Izolo bebathi bayahamba.
Yeah.
Bayekhaya.
Yeah.
Ngathi mina ngizonilandela the next day. Abadulile nina.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
So mara mabe khona kumele baziqoqe benze sure ukuthi hey abambheki ngenye indlela.
Hayi futhi asimbheki nokumbheka.
Athi ngi-answer. Mawubheka lo mntana uzothi ubheka.
Bhekani.
Yini into yokubhekwa lapha?
Itanki.
Yini mawuthi wena uyambheka lo mntwana ubhekani? Ukuthi ugqoke kanjani hayi ukuthi phela masihamba la ngaphandle asibona amanye amantombazana agqokile. What is fascinating about her? Yini mhlambe engizothi mangithi ngiyayibheka yini into ongayikhalela la mawubhekile wena?
Hey malume man I think ifamily ibhlungu and lento I deep. Ngizama ukuyithola indlela yokuthi kubuyiswane. We have 2 episodes. Enye episode babukela abantu and then enye episode idlalile. Now mara ngathi letha inkinga and akubi ne solution. So way forward mara mase kunje kuzokwenzakalani
Ithi babolo.
Yeah.
Akaphuma kuwena
Yeah.
about these raping things. Uthe ungifuna address asekhaya. You remember when I told you?
Yeah.
Funi 4424 because ulikhele most wanted guy usekhaya. So when usuka namaphoyisa ephimvini then you catch that guy.
Oh man. Hey madoda. Yabona umuntu uyafela into angayenzanga.
That is why ubona we are so furious.
Yeah.
Ngambuza ngathi ulikhele why angasibizi then indlale esethi story.
Yeah.
Who's wanted?
Yeah.
Why ungatshela ulikhele ukuthi ugokwami,
Yeah.
umalumbhene, umalumkhulu, uNhlanhla, umuzi. Whatever.
Yeah.
Abangirepile.
Ish.
Uthe kithi uyazi ukuthi masilalo wenzani? Ubeka indlebe eswemnyango.
Oh.
That's my bedroom next to the toilet.
Oh.
Athi uze umntana wakhe ascream. It's me and a mother. Usuthi sisama gate. Okay, Lukele, listen here. Bheka la. What about that procast lento ayitape izolo?
Hey.
Khuluma ubani bekakuthasha thasha. Khuluma mommy, ubani bekakuthasha thasha. This child agcina khala. So, kusho ukuthi Lukele, I'm begging you. Uzokhuleka nasesontweni nginikelele. Thola lo muntu orape lo muntu. Hlala naye phansi akutshela. Nize nizombopha.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay.
And can I just come up with a suggestion?
Yes, please.
Yabo? I-suggestion lana ithi. Njoba siso. Anithi kunama pedophiles ku family.
Yeah.
So if you want to see, because you cannot look at these 2 pedophiles, because there's a group of pedophiles. So now we need to make this family Madanga Commission.
Yes.
So that others would come and sit here.
Yamuzwa vuma. Means udlala ngawe uyamazi lo muntu. Ulazi igama lakhe.
Hayi.
So mfana hlale naye phansi umunye akutshela.
That is why mina ngithi for ukuthi ama-pedophile yazi sometimes kungcono kanjani wena lokhuzane Mthimbane mawuhlezi njengoba uhlezi source interviewer but you'll be interviewing all the pedophiles and uzokhona ukuzibona ukuthi zinjani. So now mina I'm suggesting because khona manje we can't find the solution. We can't find the solution where else kunamanye ama-pedophile asele ngaphandle because
Exactly.
kusho ukuthi asazoyenza. So for lama pedophile to be here, I need you are exposing them. Because these are the pedophile. These are the criminals. These are the rapists. Abafuna ukumbona umuntu obhinqile.
yazi family le story lesi siba sad ngento eyi-one angiboni ukuthi ngisasenethemba ukuthi siyasondela kwi-conclusion.
Asonde.
Do you still have hope as a family ukuthi kuzoba khona ukubuyisana? Do you still have hope ukuthi uSwazi angashintsha njengomuntu? Because nani believe ukuthi iqiniso leni.
Shake anikhanda. Before me. Uza
Now look.
Likhela awuna ntwe
Yokutest, i-lie detector test.
Yeah. Usibize sonke. Nami ungifake. Mama so.
Yeah.
Because it's very easy ukuthi asho ukuthi likhele lo bhuti uyongirimpini.
Uyazi gogo kunenye into about i-issue yabantu nama-drugs ne. Angiqindezeli uSwazi but abantu abaningi banento yokuthi labantu ba-delusional. Banokubona into ezingekho sometimes and banoku-exaggerate sometimes. Do you still believe ukuthi maybe uSwazi usese-intoxicated? Le nto azikaphumi mhlambe kuye or
Uphendule lapho. Athi ngikuphendule.
Yeah.
Izolo.
Yes.
Ngithe kuwe. Phindela futhi uyotest uSwazi.
Yeah.
Mina I don't believe uyekile. Phindela futhi uyotesta uSwazi. Because uSwazi as lesilungu sakho uthi pathologic liar.
Yeah. Hey.
Uyanifula as she fools us. And before zosifaka ama liar detector wathi lento abayibizayo. Sicela ukubona the medical report that you sent her to. Because angeke ngihlale la ngifake lamabhande lawo bese ngitshela ukuthi ngifuna ukuprove mina give me proof ukuthi she's not smoking. Yabo? Because akekho umuntu ongahamba emalundeni abuye ngo 3:30 ahamba yolala toilet. Is it normal? Yeah? That is why ngithi mina uyabhema. And akekho umuntu ophilile kahle ekhanda in a week ahambe 4 times.
Yo. Hey, South Africa, ibhodlile ke family. I think sibheme sakholwa and I'm happy that ugogo malume they've let out into besesifubeni. Unfortunately isicontroller isikhathi but ugogo ukhulumile akukho kusele ngaphandle. Makhona okunye I think nina sicontrolwa yini. Maybe you might want a second coming. Please go to the comment section and then nishele because into bengiyisaba mina ukuthi le Madlanga Commission ehleli noSwazi ehleli nefamily siyoba nenkinga yokuthi kuyoba ne-screaming match. Sigcine singamamelanga ku-episode. Asipromote i-trash TV because sizobe sipromote i-violence. Wahlanganisa ikati, ibisi, amagundwane, vele ngeke kube khona ukuthula. So but I've taken upon myself ukuthi uSisi uSwazi uyi-project and the first step I must declare that the first episode bengihleli naye uSwazi she had a tattoo yakhe. The second episode I made sure because she has a tattoo or she had a tattoo rather of a naked woman. Ngathi mina we are going around the schools. Abantwana bayabuka and bayabukela. So angifuni babone into ezilong and bangakujudge ngale past. So she's a work in progress. Ushilo what I'm not perfect at all. And then on the episodes, and isilandele moy mistile, go watch the 2 previous episodes. Swazi, as we are wrapping it up, siyabonga, ifamily will make sure that we keep tabs. And the day kulunga sekukhona ukubuyisana nani, uncle ngicela ungithembise ukuthi uzobuya. The day ngoba ngathi kuba ngcono. Noma ngabe sowuzokhulumela ifamily ugogo engekho ra khona or nizobuya njengoba ninje senizofaka ireport kule scheme uzamile ndoda sizwile. And ngishilo nakuye ukuthi I don't take no for an answer because you can't allege. We need to prove at the end. Then ekugcineni abantu bangaproveki bagcina abakwata kuthiwa amaphoyisa awasebenzi. So angifuni ukudila ngecase enjalo. Ngihlakaniphile eminyakeni yami 47 yokuphila. I've sorted out into eziningi kakhulu. That's why perhaps bangibona nangale abo bra ops ukuthi no asimnikezele show uyakwazi ukuthi makahlola abantu ingqondo akhona ukubona ukuthi likhona or alikho iqiniso. Ngiyabonga gogo nokankele. uNkulunkulu angcinele nina man.
Yeah, nami ngizocela ama viewers please vote so that we have the second family Madlanga Commission. Ngiyanicela babukeli nani balandeli. Please vote.
Keep well and stay blessed as you are voting.
Mangibuya la for the second time. Angiphuzi utshwala, never drink.
Yeah.
Big champagne.
Yeah. Uzocelebrate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ukuthi now ukhele usibaro ubaba omncane I don't know.
Keep well, stay blessed. We love you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, family. Can we take a picture real quick?